This is a Plymouth State University ceramics program tutorial on sanding off the kiln wash or glaze from the bottom of your pottery. Now you know the ceramic studio. If you're looking for the grinding wheel, you go to the back. Oh, here it is. It's an old wheel that I'm using just to use for this purpose. Now look at this sign. What does it say? It's important to wear safety glasses. This involves grinding sharp things, and you don't want those sharp things to end up in your eyeball. So here's the wheel. We're going to go down to the side of it. There's a button. Click, you push the button, and it means the pedal will work and run and sand your work. Now it's time to put on those super cool and super safe safety goggles. Let's put them on. Wow, you look cool and super safe. The next step is you're going to take a water bottle and you're going to spray down the top of the wheel. Why do you want to do that? Well, we're going to be sanding, and if there's water involved, it keeps the dust down. So here's my plate. You'll notice some little pieces of kiln wash on several spots, but here's a specific one. So I'm going to take this piece and grind off those pieces of kiln wash. So here's the pedal to use for adjusting the speed. The faster the speed, the quicker the sanding goes. So I'm going to take two hands, make sure that I'm applying equal pressure on the bottom of that plate, and I'm just going to sand and sand and sand until I get rid of the kiln wash or the extra sharp edges from the glaze. So if you look, there's still a little bit there, right? So I want to do it just a little bit longer. Going to go back in, push down again, applying some pressure there, and now it's gone. Presto! So here's an example with a cup. The edge of this is a little sharp from glaze. So I'm going to take with two hands, go along the edge, and try and make that as smooth as possible. Smooth is the way to go.